Hello everyone, this is Colin from Fil-Am Brothers here, and today we'll be making a delicious dinner, and what we'll be making for dinner today is a ham and potato bake. And as you can see, these are our ingredients. We saw those red potatoes, mozzarella cheese, some dough, and some ham. Now let's get into it. Alright everyone, now we are going to prepare our dough. Guys, now we're going to split this into two here, and we're going to roll them out. Alright guys, now we're just rolling out the dough here. Alright everyone, now it's time to spread some cheese. Alright everyone, now it's time to put our ham and our potatoes on. So we're just going to lay that down in the middle. Put our potato down. Now, once we got all this centered, now we just want to fold it up. Here we go. Alright everybody, time to get this in the air fryer. Now we're just going to put this on pizza mode for about 5 minutes, and only 5 minutes. And there we go. We'll see you guys in 5 minutes. Alright guys, now it is done. Let's get our first look at it. Oh my goodness. Look how perfectly brown those are. Oh, super fluffy. Alright guys, now we're just going to get a little bit of a coat of butter. Alright guys, now it's time to get these out of here and put them on our plate. Alright everybody, I'm going to take the first bite. Oh man, it's so cheesy. Can't get it off. There we go. Mmm. I'm speechless. That is incredible. The cheese, nice gooey cheese, the ham, the sweetness of the dough, and the potato, it all complements each other so well. Alright guys, that is it. I hope you enjoyed the video on our tutorial on how to make a potato and ham bake. Again, thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe and comment what you want to see next, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!